Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Autopay in QuickBooks Online. Alright, let's begin. Now, Autopay can be set up for the full invoice amount. If the customer edits the amount, the Autopay option will no longer be available. To use Autopay, the customer must have an Intuit account. If they do not have one, they will need to create a new login. First, the customer must open the invoice and select Set up Autopay to enroll. Next, they need to sign in using their Intuit user ID, which is also used for TurboTax and Mint. After signing in, they should confirm that the Autopay checkbox is selected and that the correct frequency and start date are displayed. Once everything looks correct, they can select the Autopay button to pay the current invoice. After completing the process, the customer will receive a confirmation email stating that Autopay has been successfully set up. So that's basically how you can set up Autopay in QuickBooks Online. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.